Welcome back to Fire to Fork. We are in Fairbanks, Alaska. It's kind of a big centre. It's not as big as Anchorage, but it's still pretty big. I've just had to go and get my car serviced because I've done so many Ks recently. So I went to a Jiffy Lube, which I've never been to before. They just do. It's not really a service. It's just like they quickly look over it, change the oil, change the filter. Cost me $76 US, so $100. Cheap as anything. I didn't know any good mechanics here, so I knew I couldn't get anything too major, but they check for leaks, they top everything up, you know, for $100. It's a good service, and it's all done in an hour. And you no booking, you just drive in. So I did that, went and grabbed some groceries. Now I'm going to go and find some more groceries. I'm going to get some beers. And then we're going to start heading north. Now, the reason I particularly need to get beers here is, number one, they're cheaper because it's a bigger centre. But number two, Prudhoe Bay is dry. So you can't get a drink in a bar. You can't get a drink in a restaurant. It's completely dry. So a lot of places in Australia would be like dry. It means they sell. You can still get a beer at a pub, but you can't have anything to take home. This is completely dry. The Eskimos have some alcohol issues up there, so got to respect that. It means obviously you're allowed to go in with it, but if you are found to be abusing it or selling or distributing or anything like that, you will be kicked out straight away. I've got a lot of respect for places that do that put their foot down, because they tend to be really nice places when they do manage it properly. Certainly the Aboriginal communities up in Australia, a lot of them done a really good job. Some have done a terrible job, but some have done a really good job with the alcohol control. This is Fred Meyer, some big department store. Yeah, big supermarket thing. So there we go. Okay, this place is huge. It's like Walmart. Oh God, I gotta find it. There's TVs and shit. Alright, got some beers. Made me bloody show my passport. It's like an Alaskan law where you have to show, everyone has to show ID. The woman in front of me was like solidly 80 and she had to show ID. I don't know why, but whatever. It's been a while since I've had to show ID. Do not look under 21, that's for damn sure. I see why people talk about this road being rough. I was like, what are you talking about? The road all the way to Fairbanks was amazing. I mean, a couple of potholes and stuff, but much better than the Canadian side. Then you get north of Fairbanks, and this is, it might not look that bad, but it's just constant. Like, it's supposed to be able to do 110 here. 70 is fast. It kind of eggs you on. You're like, 90, maybe I could do 100. And then I just know I'm going to go around a corner and I'm going to hit the roof. Been nearly hitting the roof for like 5 kilometers. Now, of course, I turn the GoPro on. I actually don't use GoPros. I use DJI Osmos. They're so much better than GoPros. I just saw a sign for Arctic Circle, which looks like a town. Well, not really a town. It's like some houses. I think that means I'm officially in the Arctic Circle. I don't know. I'll correct that later, I think. But if I am, it's not that cold. It's like maybe, whatever it is, 7 degrees Celsius, which is some degrees Fahrenheit. I'm going to say, let me guess, 48 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm going to guess. Hey Siri, when does it become paved again, leaving north from Fairbanks towards Prudhoe Bay?
Would you like me to use ChatGPT to answer that?
Yes.
The Dalton Highway from Fairbanks towards Prudhoe Bay is mostly gravel north of Livingstone, with paved stretches appearing intermittently. It generally becomes fully paved again near Deadhorse, close to Prudhoe Bay.
Okay, that is important info. I need to head out because it's really bumpy. Because I'm at 85 and 70 PSI. And that, it's slightly corrugated, not too bad, but if I air down, I'll be loving life. Like, it's a nice road, but at these pressures, nothing's a nice road. Alright, aired right down. for this car. That means 32 front, 40 rear. Dream. I'm nearly 5 tonne, 4.9 tonne, so, you know, tyre pressures are different. Right, this is living good, which Siri told me. It's so funny. Siri told me this is where it's not. Oh my god. Yeah, I get it. Oh yeah. Okay. I see what people are talking about. This is not a smooth road. This is going to be slow. Definitely under-researched this road. So, as much as I'd love to sit here this afternoon and show you some nice images and do some cooking and stuff, not going to happen. Oh, I need to just sit here and do Ks, lots of Ks, because it says it's going to take 12 to 16 hours, and I really want to get there tomorrow afternoon, and it is 10 to 6 p.m. I'm probably going to drive till about 8 or 9 or 10. I'm just going to drive over a lot of bumps, do a lot of Ks, use a lot of fuel, and I'll see you hopefully in Coldfoot. So I wasn't paying much attention last night. I was just concentrating on the road and trying to make good time. I just realised how low my fuel is. So I've got about 75 Ks, 45 miles to get to Coldfoot, and I am basically like on the red. Gonna be pushing it. Oh. Dalton Highway. 400 kilometre stretches of bad road. It's not a good combination. 400 kilometres without fuel on bad roads is yeah, tough. 21 miles to go and I'm on empty. Now I've done 35 Ks before on empty in this car, so I'm not too worried, and I am babying it. I have not been over 2,000 revs the whole time. And this bit of the road is a lot flatter and a lot nicer. But my concern is the next leg is exactly the same distance, and I don't know what the road's like. So I've got a trick. When I fuel up, I've got a little trick that I can use, as well as just babying it, because I didn't baby it on this journey generally. I've only been babying it since like last night. Sort of once I got about 300 Ks in, I decided to baby it, which is a bad idea. I should have been doing it from the beginning. Anyway, I need to drive more economically. I thought there was fuel in this run somewhere, and there wasn't. But yeah, little trick that I'm definitely going to use in Coldfoot. And I'm going to try and have a shower and wash my muck mat. Because when I got into bed last night, or when I got in my camper, I discovered that my thing of sesame oil and my thing of soy sauce had fallen out of the top cupboard, smashed, and gone everywhere. All over my floor, all over the walls, and all over one of my muck mats. So I'm going to try and get a shower so I can bring my muck mat into the shower with me and clean it up, because it's stinky in there. Well, it actually smells a lot nice. It smells like soy and sesame, but it's greasy. Doing 20. Just babying it. 6 miles, 10 Ks. Fast downhills, and snow up. Oh, it's dying. It's dying. It's like losing power. Oh, 4.4 miles to go. Come on. Oh, this is so stressful. Oh. I'm feathering the throttle. Hopefully it works better when it's flat. 4.3 miles. Don't die on me, please. Oh, I've never been so happy to see a steep descent sign. 2.6. I'm literally just foot off everything, roll down this hill. 2 miles. We're doing 105 k's an hour down that hill. 1500 RPM, 85 k's an hour, and decelerating. But it's not burping and farting like it was. 1.4 miles. We are on fumes, but that's a Bowser. Coldfoot camp. They have regular. Now, what I'm actually after is premium, because there's a lower ethanol content in premium, and ethanol is not efficient. So you'll get more range out of premium fuel than you will out of... I don't think they have premium. I think they just have regular. Yep, it's regular or regular. Okay. So price is $2.70 a litre. And I'm totally cool with that. It's not even that bad. Jeez, completely full. $231.62. 117 litres. Alright. I'm gonna make it another 380 Ks on that. Should be right. Baby it. Now, shower time. A shower is $14 US. It's like 20 bucks. It's pretty expensive, but I don't care right now. I do not care. Be good to get that smell out. And it comes with shampoo, shower, towels, all that kind of stuff. My towel's a bit wet anyway, so anyway. Let's go and do that. Oh yeah, that's grim. One more casualty of the Dalton is my battery charger. Not the good one, not the one that powers the Blue Edge, but the one that powers the old AGM. That's smashed. You can't actually see it, but the screen behind it's smashed. So I can't work it because you need to like enter the settings and stuff. Horse, Alaska, here we come. 241 miles. 5 hours. That's it. That's the Arctic Ocean. It's the northernmost point we'll get to on this trip. Northernmost point I'll probably ever get to. The Arctic Ocean. It's inside the Arctic Circle. It's cool. Next service is 240 miles. So my ute did 30.5 litres per 100 on the way up. I'm going to see if I can get that significantly lower on this next leg. This section after Coldfoot is beautiful. I mean, it's been paved for a fair bit, but in general, it's a perfectly graded, nice road. There's a lot of salt on it, but that's to be expected. Yeah, lovely. Cruising along at 70 or 80, not revving it, babying it as much as I can. I don't know what my fuel economy is, but it feels like it's better. The needle hasn't moved, it's still on full after 70 k's. Well, it suddenly got cold. Snowing, snowy. I'm glad, because I'm sick of that mud. Yep, this is kind of more what I was expecting. Wow. This is crazy. Just everywhere I look, just white. It might seem like this drone shot's overexposed, but it's not. That's what I can see. It's just like, it's so white. I went to stop earlier and it did not stop straight. So it's definitely a lot lower traction than it was. Okay, I was giving it a little bit there, but that's how stopping goes. That's not too bad. Might put it in four-wheel drive. That's better. Yeah, four-wheel drive's good. I can't see where the mountain ends and the sky starts. It's kind of crazy white. So this may look overexposed. It's not. It's like overexposed in real life. I can't see the top of the mountains. It's crazy. And we're going into the clouds. Bloody hell. Oh man, I can't see a thing. Well, I can, but like soon I won't be able to. I can't see anything off to the right. It's just white. Can't see anything up ahead. Oh, whoa! There's like a, just there, there's a bloody mountain. I couldn't see it. Jeez, I'm not going fast, that's for sure. Well, this certainly feels Arctic. Just nothing. Just absolutely bugger all. So cool. We've got more than half a tank, probably 2/3 of a tank. We're exactly halfway. So let's hope we're all good. I hope so, I really do. So much better. This road is like flat, nice, really good quality. The one from whatever to Coldfoot sucked. It's the same road, just that end of Dalton. Southern end of Dalton Highway sucks. There's just nothing out there. It's just empty snow. This huge pipeline that runs alongside here, that's literally just pumping oil 24 hours a day. That's how much oil is produced up in Prudhoe Bay. It's a huge oil industry. I think it's the reason this road exists. It's to service the oil and gas industry, or oil industry. So yeah, this is where all the fuel comes from. They certainly charge a lot for it here because there's no refinement done here. That's okay. I'm alright. I'm alright with that. I'm totally fine with paying a bit more for fuel in remote environments. It's definitely the weirdest road I've ever driven. It's like, it's completely white and flat all around me, and then there's this sort of, the road itself is gravelly and mucky, and then it just sort of stains the snow on each side. It's quite beautiful from the air, but reality is it's just a really dusty road. This is a full-on ice storm, like snowstorm. This is crazy. Just chatting to my old man on the phone while I drove through it. Gee, Starlink's good. But this is crazy. I kind of want to get out and experience it. And I'm pretty sure it's a bad idea, but I'm going to do it anyway. And I keep getting into little oh my, far out. That is, yeah, the braking is not good. I'm in four-wheel drive. And I'm driving along, and then all of a sudden it's like, whoa, oh, oh, oh. Yep, good. Holy shit. Okay, let's go in nice storm. In a Flemo. 1, 2, 3. Oh, shit. Put it in park. Go. Not as cold as I thought it was going to be. Oh, it is sliding. Okay, that's why my ute was sliding. Oh man, what a wild time. Oh, stupid bumper's broken. Need a zip tie. Zip tie, nearly be sliding on my own from the woods. What a machine! Big, cheap yank tank. Recommend. I'm gonna make some yellow snow. Get back on the road. It's just crazy. All you can see is white. So there's a truck coming up behind me, and I was like, "Oh, I'll just accelerate hard to get out of the way." Oh, too scary. I got really scared then. The ute just started sliding, and that's not fun. And I ended up getting pushed this side of the road, which the wind's blowing this way, and it just started pushing me over to the left and sliding, and all bad. Ice storms are scary. You can't tell, but the car's crabbing. So the back end is sliding out and being pushed sideways in the wind. Oh man, this is not ideal. It's wobbling. Not on a suspension. It's like just crabbing. Back end just feels loose. Shit. Oh, stop sliding. Ah, poo came out. Oh, that's why I'm driving in the middle of the road, to give me more room if I do eat shit. Oh god. This is hectic. Usually I say it feels like I'm driving. Oh Jesus. Oh that is so sideways. Hold it, Harry. I need to pull over at the next pullover point and wait for this weather to calm down, because this is psycho. Sideways. Oh I think I'm crashing in slow motion. I need to stop, but stopping's really hard. Let this truck by. Oh my god. The poo came out. Oh. Oh. Okay, go past me, truck. That was scary. Okay, let's go find a spot to pull over for a bit. I'm in four-wheel drive. It just slides everywhere. I'm just gonna drive really slow. Watch for trucks. There's another bloody truck. Oh, here we go. There's a pullover point over here. Let's go down that. Do they have chains on? They don't have chains on. They're just, I don't know. I'm at low pressure, doing all the things I thought you should do, but there's poo. Oh, I wonder if my hubs are locked. So I don't know exactly what to do. I'm too scared to drive on that road. It's too gnarly. It's too scary. I can camp here. Well, I actually can't technically camp in front of that gate, but I'll figure something out. I'm just going to sit here for a while. It's definitely throwing a spanner in the works. But I assume I can't drive on this snow. I'll go and find out. God, even stopping from like 1k an hour is a struggle. Okay. No, I don't want to drive on that. the thing is, I don't want to be on the road because I'm too dangerous, because I'm so slow. And there are bloody trucks constantly coming up here. I can see two now. There's one passing there. There's another one just down there. I don't know. Just gonna sit here for a while. Right, that wind's dropped off. Let's give this another go after this truck passes. Still scared. Oh, just off the mark. Sliding with all four wheels. Okay. Well, I'm not drifting. My main concern is I'm doing 40 k's an hour and I don't want to slow trucks down. Because if trucks have to slam on the skids in these environments, that's just not safe. There's a stupid part of me that wants to put my drone up because I think it'd be funny. But I don't really want to go trudging through the snow to go and find a drone. I also really want to get to town before everything closes because I really need a charger to charge that auxiliary battery so that I don't lose my water tank heater. There's some, not moose, some buffalo or something, bison. I don't know. I'm gonna have to take some shots. They're not very good. Even with a 200mm lens, they're still very far away. Buffalo. And now I'm frozen. Ooh, maybe a better one out here. No truck. They're right there. Let's see if I can get a better shot. Alright, this is the entrance to Anchorage. There is a lot of mining equipment. Whoa, it's like buses under the snow on the left. A lot of trucks. A lot of snowcats. And I am very much looking forward to getting something to eat. So I have today eaten a couple of handfuls of nuts. That's it. Really hungry. It's like 5:30. Yeah. I want something warming. Obviously, no beer because it's fine. And tomorrow, I'm going to make my celebratory meal. Jeez, that slid around the corner. Which I'm very excited about. Let's go and get some food. Oh, and I made it with 32 k's of range left, which means probably more like 70 k's of range. So yeah, just drive the car nicely and it makes it easily. Well, this is a new one for me. When you park at the front of places, they've got the plug-in for your block heater. And thankfully, this car does have a block heater. Now it's like, perfect. Now when I need to start my car, I can just plug it into my Bluetti. Then I realized it takes like 700 watts to power a block heater. And you need to run it for 3 to 4 hours, which is the entire capacity of a 200 amp hour to 300 amp hour lithium battery with no loss due to temperature. That's not happening. This thing gets an hour at best. Oh, it's so cold outside. I just went to, I want to replace my battery charger. And turn my heater on in the camper. And my windscreen's frozen. It's been 10 minutes. So, there are no restaurants here. There are camps. And what a camp is like a mine camp, right? So mining companies put all their employees up there and you can go and pay for an unlimited buffet dinner. I don't need an unlimited buffet dinner, but if that's my only option, it is, I don't know, actually. You know what? I'm just gonna go and find a spot to camp and cook myself dinner. I always feel ripped off by a massive buffet because I'm not that big of an eater. So, like, I tried to buy some butter. No butter, because the camps provide everything. The store, the shop, only provides stuff that camps don't provide. So like snacks, cigarettes, no alcohol, you know, that kind of stuff. Zins, energy drinks. Yeah, I got fuel. Oh my god. Oh. It's cold like I've never experienced. Okay, let's go find a spot we can. I'm going to an Arctic Ocean scenic spot because, sure, I don't know what I'm doing. Definitely need to get some stuff out of this car before I lock it up tonight because everything's going to freeze. Yeah, it turns out it's even more slippery here. So I just accelerated slightly out of a corner and nearly lost it. Thankfully, long wheelbase. Arctic Ocean access restrictions. Private vehicles are prohibited on the Prudhoe Bay oil field, which is the only access to the Arctic Ocean. Blah, 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 blah. Okay, cool. That's fine. I don't really need that. I'm trying to get onto the Arctic Ocean. Okay, let me give you an example. So, if I accelerate just a little bit, I'm doing a donut in a camper. Oh, this is the restricted area. Oh. Oh, okay, so you can't get to the Arctic Ocean. Like, as in, you can't even get close to it. I just thought it was like, you can't drive onto it or something. I needed to get from the, oh, bloody hell, slippery. Got what I needed to get from Deadhorse. I'm just going to start. Get out of town, go and find a spot to just pull up. I'm not having a fire tonight. It is a blizzard. That's crazy. So, I'm going to get in my camper, make dinner in there. I looked up camping in Prudhoe Bay on Google. It did not help me. They were like, yeah, you can stay in a mining camp or a mining camp. I don't really want to stay in a mining camp. Well, if I have to, but I don't really want to. Let's get going. I found a road, sort of, a track. See if we get bogged. Nearly a metre. Impressive. Might be a new record. Backed out fine. See, it all feels fine on my boots, but as soon as you get a bloody car in there, see, I'm standing right on top. Don't want to stay at a mining camp. We are like an hour into searching for a spot, but I think I've got somewhere. It's not pretty, it's just white. This will do. This will do. I'm on a big frozen car park. Kind of want to do a donut. It's not going to damage anything. I'm not going to roll over. I don't get many opportunities to do stupid shit like this. I'm gonna do it. The big question is, two-wheel drive or four-wheel drive? I think four-wheel drive. Oh, that is too fun. That is way too fun.
Let's just take the long way home. You've got me running in circles. I don't ever want to slow down. Let's just keep spinning, spinning, spinning. Just keep going round, going round. You've got me running in circles. I can't keep both feet on the ground. Let's just keep spinning, spinning, spinning. Just keep going round, going round. Nothing but sunshine, sunshine and happiness are all that's around us now.
Gloves, beanie, laptop. Oh, the cold makes you do crazy things. It really does. Now, I'm usually a Scotchman, but I'm in America. So I've got a bourbon. Also because you basically can't buy bourbon in Canada for anything other than exorbitant prices. It's not that I miss it, it's that now I can. Okay. Oh, also my tap broke. I'm sure the bits are down there somewhere, but oh well. The Dalton takes another victim. Oh, it's lovely in here. What's the temperature at? It's set really high. Good. We'll leave it there for a while. Okay. I'm making a drink. I told myself I'd go outside and get some ice. I will not. Good solid slug. And then black bourbon soda. It's been a long week. It's a lot of driving. Now I don't have to drive. Anyway, I'm going to have a tin of Campbell's soup for dinner with a grilled cheese toasty thing. I'm really looking forward to it. Oh! Oh, shit, that's hot. Ah! Why do you insist on touching all the hot things? That's cheddar, sriracha, toast. Campbell's soup, salt, pepper, and chili in there. That's me. No. Oh, I'll check my taste. I'll see how it goes with bourbon. It goes with bourbon. Oh, it's so good. So cheap, so good. No.